like scary movies?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite scary movie?
I don't know.
You have to have a favorite. What comes to mind?
Halloween. You know, the one with the guy in the white mask who walks around and stalks babysitters?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Guess.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Is that the one where the guy had knives for fingers?
Yeah, Freddy Krueger.
Freddy, that's right. I like that movie. It was scary.
Well, the first one was, but the rest sucked.
So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
What did you say?
I want to know who I'm talking to.
That's not what you said.
What do you think I said?
Well, hello there. I am doing the Grinch makeup. Yeah. It took me so long to figure out how to do the nose, and I still don't know, so I'm using modeling clay. Don't do that. Don't put it on your face, but I'm gonna do it. Don't be me. Don't be stupid. I don't know what I made, but I need to glue it to my face first. DIY blackhead removal. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't do this. I'm just smearing latex all over my face. I cannot breathe, but that will not stop me. I can't even talk. Ugh. I'm blending out the edges. I can't talk. There's literally nothing I can do. It's okay. We're just gonna go with it. All right. This isn't too bad, right? Gotta add the shading. My nose itches. I don't know what to do. I'm using cotton for the eyebrows and the beard, same as for the Santa look. Hairspray. I got a Santa hat and a paint in my hand, and I am done now.
If you scare easily, this is not the video for you. In 2001, 4 teens decide to explore an abandoned mansion that locals believed a satanic cult was using to perform sadistic rituals. They go in through a basement window and find a piece of raw meat sitting on the ground with stones around it. It creeps them out, but they keep going. They make it to the first floor, but it's so hot up there they think something's on fire and they run away. The next night, they're feeling brave and decide to go back to the mansion and explore the top floors. They were not ready for what they find.
Cover my back, all right? What the hell's that? That on the floor. Right there.
Experts believe that the teens stumbled across a satanic cult performing a ritual.
Alright, Jocelyn, let's do the Umbrella Academy. So it took me a while to figure out a concept for my makeup, so here's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna take my makeup off. Then I'm gonna glue my eyebrows down. And I will actually be doing 2 looks instead of 1. And well, the first look is gonna be their school uniform. And once again, I am painting on clothes. You know, I could have just put on a suit and a tie, but no, I gotta make it hard for myself. Why do I always forget how long this stuff takes? I'm finally done with the outfit. Just casually painting the inside of my eye while having contacts in, lovely. And well, this is the first look right here. And then the second look, I want to be Vanya's power at the end of the show. So spoiler alert. I hate doing makeup in 2 parts, but I don't have enough time in this video to do another makeup, so please go to part 2 for me taking this off and doing a new look. Well, hey, what's up there? Guess what I got in the mail today? It's G Fuel, and I've been waiting to try this for literal months. So they sent me a few different ones to try, so I think it's safe to say I'll be energized for the rest of my life. So you know how I used to turn myself into video game characters? Yeah, I'm gonna turn myself into Rosalina from Super Smash Bros. Because the packaging on this one really reminds me of her. And she's way too cute for me to make her scary. Just remember to trust the process though. And it is once again time for me to paint on my clothes. Alright, this took longer than I'd like to admit, but it's cool. We got the blonde wig. And I also made a crown out of paper. I'm gluing on my earrings. And just like that, I am now Rosalina. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time for another tutorial, and we're doing Scorpio today. My inspiration will be an insect monster, so let's see how it goes. As always, I gotta glue my eyebrows down. I will be doing like an insect mouth type of thing, so let's do that. Liquid latex around the edges. Build it up with cotton. Blend it out with more latex. It is currently 112 degrees in my house, and I am dying of heat. Paint the inside. I cut some teeth out of a paper plate. Glue them in. foundation, some eyeliner and small lashes, paint the gums red, some shading, add some details. I'm gonna attempt to draw a scorpion tail on my forehead. Something like that. I bought these little scorpions on Amazon. I'm gonna glue them to my face. And of course, we need some fake blood. Oop. I put my contacts in, and that is basically it. Hey there, you little freaks. How's it going? I'm feeling wild today. So I thought I'd do something abstract because I haven't done that in a while. We don't need our eyebrows today. These eyebrows are kind of a vibe though. Just kidding, we don't need them. I have decided to draw a big circle on my face. This doesn't look creepy at all. I look like a Teletubby. I think I'm gonna make my eyes pink. If somebody came up to me right now and asked me, Valeria, what are you doing? I would not know what to tell them. I went along with the theme, added some more circles, because we love circles. We're missing some green eyeliner though. Alright, let's pop some lashes on. Lashes are on. And I also decided to fill these little circles because, you know, it was empty. I want to change my lips to be a circle too. I like this better. Alright, I think I'm done. How is that for some abstract? But that's not it. I just found a black light. I'm an alien. Oh, well, hello, what's up there? Guess what we're doing today? Yes, it's makeup. It's makeup. That's what I do. I don't do anything else. That's literally all I do. I'm turning myself into a scary snowman. I got these buttons from Joann's to make them my eyes. It's stuck to the glue. That's not what I meant to do, but I kind of like it. Straight up Coraline vibes right now. Look at that. Who needs sunglasses when you have buttons? I'm just messing around. We're gonna do the latex. A lot of you were concerned about why I was putting glue on my eyebrows in the other video, and I actually got really funny duets for that. But just to let you know, I put glue on my eyebrows so that they don't get ripped off by latex. Okay, but how mentally stable do I look right now? I need to make this look like a carrot. Alright, that's a pretty ugly carrot, but we'll just go with it. I'm gonna do the mouth last because once I do it, I won't be able to talk or drink water. Okay, time to glue my mouth down. Alright, voiceover Valeria coming in here. I glued down my mouth and put buttons everywhere with liquid latex, and then I put fake blood on, and Olaf is literally shaking right now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? So I've noticed that recently there's been a trend of doing emoji-inspired things. Whether it's like makeup, outfits, anything like that. So I thought, let's put a scary twist on that. And I'm gonna start with my favorite emoji right here. I think this look is gonna be fairly simple, but still scary. Do I need latex for this look? No. Am I still putting it on? Yes, I am. I was debating whether I should paint my face yellow or not, and I decided that I should. This simply does not feel right, but I can't stop now. Gotta add the fake blood. And I have also decided to put in some white contacts. Let me know what emoji I should do next. Well, hello there. I am doing the Grinch makeup. Yeah. It took me so long to figure out how to do the nose, and I still don't know, so I'm using modeling clay. Don't do that. Don't put it on your face, but I'm gonna do it. Don't be me. Don't be stupid. I don't know what I made, but I need to glue it to my face first. DIY blackhead removal. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't do this. I'm just smearing latex all over my face. I cannot breathe, but that will not stop me. I can't even talk. I'm blending out the edges. I can't talk. There's literally nothing I can do. It's okay. We're just gonna go with it. All right. This isn't too bad, right? Gotta add the shading. My nose itches. I don't know what to do. I'm using cotton for the eyebrows and the beard, same as for the Santa look. Hairspray. I got a Santa hat and a paint in my hand, and I am done now. Oh my god, yes, let's do it. So the idea here is to create a very scary Ronald McDonald. I think this is fine for the outfit. We can move on to the scary stuff. I created a rough outline. Let's just hope this works. And of course, we can't do anything without the liquid latex. Wish me luck. Oh dear lord, what have I done? While this is drying, I'm gonna use a McDonald's lid and cut out some teeth. Something like this. I know it's not dry yet, but I'm just gonna start painting the inside. No, I'm just gonna glue the teeth. I look like a piranha. Okay, contacts are in. Now it's time to start painting. Oh yes. Beautiful. Now let's add the shading. Oh god. We're so pretty, we just gotta paint the lips. And we're a clown, so we can't forget the nose. Nice. This is a fun little hairstyle. I just want to make it a little more red.
Oh my.
Okay, I added a little Buddy M, and I'm honestly done now. Okay, you guys, I have a problem. Okay, let me take these out. I can't talk. As I was saying, I have a problem. So I did this makeup look, right? Really cool, whatever. I'm ready to take it off, but I want to wash my hands. My hands have been washed. These are my hands clean, and they are blue. And there is blue paint on my face and body. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm scared to even start taking this off. I might just have to look like a smurf for the rest of the week. And Halloween's over too. Like, I don't even have an excuse. Alright, you guys, guess who's back to ruin your childhood? It's me. I just want to see the new Rise of Gru movie, and logically, I have to turn myself into a minion now. Warning, this will not be cute. I was debating on putting on a bald cap, but I think this will do. And now I've gotta paint everything yellow. I really have no technique here. I'm just yellow. No thoughts, just yellow. This will not be coming off anytime soon. So we're bringing it into the hair. Oh no. I feel like a sexy lemon. Now the question is, should my minion have cheekbones? Like, I'm gonna get nightmares now. Okay, I had these Harry Potter glasses, and then I glued foam to the sides of them to make them look like minion glasses. I'm gonna paint them real quick. Okay, there's string from hot glue on these, but they could be worse. Okay, they're not the most even, but I'm still kind of living for it. Okay, I drew eyes. Let's see if this is gonna work. I can't see. Is this cursed?